Hi guys, today we're going to talk about the differences between the product and service types that live within QuickBooks Online. So the easiest way to navigate to the product and service area is through the sales drop-down menu. Go to product and services, and just as a reminder, we are in a sample company here, so this isn't a real company. We're not looking at anybody's real data. So this is going to list your products and services. Now when you go to add a product or service, you get 4 different options. I'm going to explain what these options mean, and then in another video I'll go through and show you how to add these. But inventory is going to be products that you are selling that you're tracking the quantities of. Okay, and when we're tracking the quantities, if you are tracking them in QuickBooks Online, if you track the quantities of these products in a separate program, you don't want to add it as an inventory item unless you have that program integrated with QuickBooks Online and it needs to be categorized that way. Okay, but if you classify it as inventory, QuickBooks Online is going to track the inventory of this product within QBO. If you keep your inventory elsewhere, you don't want to select the inventory option. You would want to select the non-inventory option unless you have a program integration that requires it to be an inventory item, okay? So with the non-inventory item, these are still products and we're still selling them, but we're either don't need to or we can't track the quantities of these, okay? So this could be things like, supplies that are used, and you don't necessarily track the inventory within QuickBooks Online, but maybe you bill clients for it, right? So an extra packaging fee, for example, but you're not tracking the exact quantities of packaging you're using, or you're not tracking the exact quantities of hardware, but you're charging the client for that. This will not track the inventory within QuickBooks Online, but it will allow you to itemize it out on the client's bill. Okay, if you are tracking inventory in a program outside of QBO and you don't need a specific product integration, this non-inventory option is what you're going to utilize for when you invoice clients, okay? Now a service is something that you are providing the client, but you're not tracking inventory, you're not itemizing out like specific items that you're using. So even if you are using product in that service, if you don't have to itemize it out for that client on the invoice, you're going to select the service option. And then you have a bundle. So let's say that we have a specific set of service product combination where maybe we sell the client a specific inventory item and then we follow that up with a service. For example, maybe we sell them a specific laptop or a specific electronic device, and then we add an additional fee for setting that service or that product up for them. So we have this product component where we're selling this electronic device, the laptop, the cell phone, tablet, whatever it may be. And then we're charging them also, we want to itemize it out because maybe they purchased an additional plan for us to set up that computer. So we also want to have a service, and we sell these together very frequently. So we can go ahead and set up a bundle. So if we have, 50% of our clients are opting into the setup service, it makes sense to have that bundle available because 1, we could provide a discount on the overall package, but then 2, it saves us time because it can bundle a couple of these items together. So that's the difference there between these 4 options. As a review, inventory is going to be products that you are counting the inventory in QBO. Okay, if you have products that you are selling but the inventory is not kept in QBO, you would choose the non-inventory option. A service is something that is just what it sounds like. It's a service, it's not a physical product you're selling something that you're doing. And then a bundle is a combination of any of the above items. So that is the different options for products and services within QBO, and I hope that helps.